So I have the Rice Krispies ready here, and that's marshmallows. It's melted. I just wanted to show how it looks, the ones that we make, and you could just get it with your hands. It is a bit sticky thing, but that doesn't matter. We're just going to just um, break them into smaller chunks and then add them into the bowl and then get it microwaved for about 20-30 seconds. Mix it up. Okay, so that's a sticky mass like that, and onto that I'm going to add the Rice Krispies. I'm just going to mix this. You just want the marshmallows to be like kind of spread out, mixed up well. You see there is no lumps of marshmallows without coming in contact with the Rice Krispies, which is the puffed rice in our case. So now once you have everything mixed up well, so the next thing I will need is a bowl of water, because it is an extremely sticky medium at this stage, and I'm just going to dunk my hand in water, and I'm going to pick up the Rice Krispies and then start adding them into the stem here. I'm just going to dunk my hands in water and get the Rice Krispies. So every time you find the Rice Krispie Treats at this time, it is sticking to your hands. You just need to get your hands dunked in water. So they're just going to stick together like that. I'm just going to start going around. Now if this one doesn't stick on the rod or the chocolate coat, now that is some marshmallow itself in another bowl, microwaved. I'm gonna kind of add this one in the rod, and marshmallows are the only glue that you can have the Rice Krispie Treats stick to any other layer as well, or to itself. If you want to build more layers of the um, Rice Krispie Treats, then on top of this, like once it's dried up, then we need to coat up another layer of the marshmallow, melted marshmallow, and then keep building the layers. Now my hands are quite dry. Just going to dip in water and then pick it up. So the bottom will be quite broad, and then I'm just going to narrow down as it goes up. We'll have ganache on top of this, and then there is going to be fondant on top of this. So now you can see it is just getting sticky, right? So I'll just a little bit water, you don't want too much, and then just rub your hands together. So you can see how nicely it is, just as you could squeeze and then give the shape that you want. It just takes that. So I'll see where I just need to add a bit extra. So it will become rock hard. Like you can't change its shape, like you can't be pressing down and changing its shape like after some time, like say overnight or so. So whatever shape you're just looking at, just get it done like when you're starting to work with it. So that is the time you have for it to take the shape. I think that this looks good for me, and the rest of it can be filled up with ganache, and this needs to set in the room temperatures. You want the marshmallows to kind of react and then get the entire Rice Krispie Treats kind of really hard for us to continue working. So here we are with the stem of the mushroom built, and then I will meet you in the next lesson where we will start working on the cake to get the head of the mushroom.